All right, and the AGV, we have a crown liner in here, and you can reverse it. This is the warm side, so you have the tag right here, and then we also the other side is the cool side. So you know it's very hot outside, so I tried to look up all the videos on YouTube. They didn't really show you exactly on how to take this off and reverse it. And I know this is a very expensive helmet. I was kind of nervous at first. I don't want to mess up this expensive helmet. My first day just ripped the whole interior and mess up something, and mess up a tab or something. But I tried it the first time, and I'm gonna try to recreate that to show you guys. All right. Now these things you just roll up slowly. Just caught on something. One more tab back here. There we go. This part completely comes out. Also, don't forget about these. These off to the side. These go in your ear. They cover your ear side over on this side right here. Those go back, and it also has the left and the right side. It will say it on here. Left, another one says right. So that's an L for left, and that's an R for right. All right. Now this is what I noticed is not really a tricky part, but this part that you want to kind of take your time on. There's tabs in here, and you have to push these tabs forward, towards you, and lift up. If you just yank these up or pull them up, you will pretty much tear the smesh. So try to do this slowly. There you go. So see, there's a little tab right here that goes in this little holder right here that holds it in place. You gotta be careful. In the middle. There we go. So now the whole liner is out. Whole liner is out, right? So now I can reverse it. Now this is the cooler side. It's right here it says warm side. And if you reverse it, says cooler side. So I want to use the cooler side. So now to actually put the cooler side on, you see these tabs right here, and I noticed the other side they're reversible, but you don't have no clicking part. So what you got to do is you got to push these out like this and then reverse it. So actually they snap back into the helmet just like that. Push it all the way down. Push these out. Just like that. All right. Now you'll be ready back to reinstall it into the helmet. Fold this back. You pretty much re-push it back into the tabs. Alright, and then you just want to make sure, probably pull on it a little bit just to make sure it's in there. It's not coming back out. You know, you don't want your liner come out on you while you're riding your bike. That would be horrible. All right. Now we're getting ready to install these in. Now these are pretty pain in the butt to put back in. What I know, which is easy for me, is when I put them in, I kind of line them up, you know, pre-line them up like that, and just smack them back in. You just do one at a time. There you go, that's one. Line the second one up on this tab. And put that one back in. This one's the hard one because it's in the back. You have to kind of find the hole. There you go. Now for this part, I slide it in after into the helmet. A little hole right here, smaller the hole. There we go. And you snap everything else back in for this side. So this side is complete. Push this in, push that in. Now it's ready for the other side. Same thing. Yeah, make sure you want to have this part towards your ear. You know, not this side. This side kind of way, you know, irritates you. So first time I did it, put it that way. Oh. So have the smooth side towards your ear. All right, I finally got that one in. Now just click this side back in. So these tabs are pushed all the way back in. So after you snap the tabs in on these two sides, there's little red like tabs back here that you have to actually snap the liner back into place, you know, to get that good back seating. So now it's fully installed, KOOL side. So I'm gonna take it for a ride and see how it feels.